Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take a look at the markets, and the S&P broke this downward trend line, and yeah, they just have to make higher highs, and that is about 3.5k, I would say, or 3.45 dollar. I think it's ready for a bounce over here. We see this trend line over here, and they kind of broke through it. And yeah, the euro is exactly in first dollar. So taking a close look at the S&P 500, this trend line I was looking for a couple of months. Yeah, we saw that breaking down, and we're on the daily now. We can zoom in a little bit. Let's go to the hourly. I think I'm still bullish. I think we can look for a bounce over here. They tested support really nice, and they are holding above for now, above the previous all-time high. So S&P, I mean, people were crying a lot, but it's not looking that bad actually. I mean, we see that this trend line broke over here, and yeah, they're moving up. Next resistance, as you can see for the S&P, is over here. This high over here, and that's where we should go above again, and holding 3.4k, and resistance is now 480. So yeah, that's where S&P should go above. We're always looking at the CME mini futures. Taking a look at BTC, this is the CME gap people always talk about, where you hear them talking about it. We see a gap over here, and they get filled always. Somehow gaps always get filled, and yeah, so a lot of people are targeting a gap fill for this one, and they could be right, but I mean, if so many people are expecting it, are we really getting it? This is what I see as well on a higher time frame. We are right on the support over here, and we keep bouncing from it. Zooming in a little bit more, let's go to the hourly. We can see this trend line over here, and a break above that would mean yeah, a break up, and then we have the coming resistances over here, and over here. Also we have this level over here. So yeah, that is what Bitcoin has to do, and this is kind of the support. Yeah, around 9.9 k, I would say. That's really where we are, and yeah, I will start getting bullish again if we break this one over here. That's 10.3k, 10.3k and a half. So yeah, that is what Bitcoin has to do. Let's take a look at the fundings. And the fundings are all positive. That means that the longs are paying to the shorts. So yeah, I mean, on a higher time frame, we could say we are still testing this support from the bigger breakout from this one. So as long as we're above that, we are in a bull market, is my opinion. Also, we see the 200 moving average on the daily is at 9k right now, and as long as we're above that, we're in a bull market. So yeah, that's what I want to say. I mean, it's not that bad as a lot of people think it is. Of course, some guys who are trading with too much leverage, they get yeah, already yeah, they already lost everything. That also happens if they trade with leverage. If you want to trade yourself with some leverage, put in max at 3 times leverage. That is more than enough. Please use one of these ref links. You'll help myself, and you help yourself as well, with some extra discounts on the fees. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is still good. They're back above the 330. which is good. And we are still in the rising wedge. It's a little bit scary, but I think we can still break up to the upside out of this one. And yeah, BTC, we just wanna go have a close above this one, really, or just a break above this one, 10.3. Close look at Ethereum. Ethereum has resistance right now. Well, it's really clear. 365 and support at 330. That's all about it. I'm not confident yet with longing over here. It could be the bottom is already in, but I am not trusting it enough. As well, of course, Ethereum will follow Bitcoin, and as you see, we can still fill the gap. Really high possibility. Always happens in the past, so or almost always. Ethereum, BTC, not looking too bad actually. Still looking very good. This is the levels we are at with Ethereum. I mean, we're still good. We have still a lot of supports. We can put in the VPVR. Not really showing anything nicely at this level, but well, we can see the big blocks are over here. A lot of movement over here. Smaller time frames, a lot of volume being done at these levels. Yeah, it could be support. I just wanna, see higher highs again. If this is a higher low, that could be possible as well. Would be great still. EOS, not something I am interested in at the moment. It's really there on support right now, but I would not be comfortable longing it over here. Let's take a look at RSR. RSR is at support as well. We are at support of this previous high. We could break down from this trend line, but I think as long as we're above this support line from the previous high over here, RSR is still good. Not saying it is a long opportunity over here, but it's not looking terrible. If they break this support over here, it might look a little bit worse. Like I said, fundings are positive, not particularly bullish. And like I said, make sure to use one of these refs. They're also in the video description. Make sure to subscribe. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Put the notification buttons on. Everything, guys. I can use the support. And like I said, on the daily, 200 moving average is on the 9K. And as long as we're above that, I am really bullish. And daily is not looking that bad. I would like to see an engulfment, but it's not looking that bad. But we do need those higher highs. And yeah, I would really like to see closes on a daily above 10.5K over here. And yeah, that's about it. I'm not doing much more today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.